It's Dr. Cody Rall with Techforpsych. I'm coming to you with an Alaskan fireside chat today.
All right, so we just got done halibut fishing in Alaska. I'm in Montana, coming up towards the end of my trip here. What's really underneath of all this? What is like the underlying tying energy to that? And one of the things about fishing in Alaska is that, you know, after you cut up the fish, you throw them out on the beach so that the birds get the fish. And what's amazing about this area is there's so many, there's seagulls, which is pretty common, but there's also bald eagles, which is not so common, especially in the lower 48. And they're everywhere here. You look in the trees and there'll be like 5 eagles in the tree at certain times of the year. If you look down on the beach there, you can actually see that they're congregating with the seagulls, just waiting for us to unleash this bucket of fish we have here. So I've got my lovely brother here, Zachary, who's gonna tip the bucket over, and I'm gonna launch the drone right as we tip it, and we're gonna see what happens with these seagulls and eagles. It should be pretty interesting.
It's about broadening horizons. Something I've been thinking about a lot lately. Positive self-development, learning, neurotechnology, hopefully leading to something even bigger one day, maybe a neurotechnology company that makes devices.
And being in the moment, there's a sense of timelessness, there's a sense of selflessness, there's a sense of pure bliss and a richness to the experience because you have so much information coming in second by second. You know, when you think about what these technologies are doing in terms of altering mental state and putting you into a completely new experience, one that kind of connects you to the mystical, one that kind of connects you to this energy field that a lot of people feel that's there but you don't technically have access to all the time. It really seems to be a rejuvenation quality of that to the brain, to the body, and allows people to be healthy and be spiritual and be motivated to actually do things.